Hi guys, so in this video, we're going to cover how to run TikTok ads on an iPhone. So let's jump right straight into this video. So you launch the TikTok app. Once it's open, you visit your profile by clicking on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Okay, so next you're going to look for TikTok Studio. So if you can't find it in front of your profile at the center, all you need to do is to click on the menu button at the top right corner, the three horizontal line at the top right corner. Then you should be able to find TikTok Studio. Okay, so you click on TikTok Studio. Okay, so next you're going to find the promote button just below more tools. So you hit the promote button. Okay, now you have to choose a goal. So there are basically three categories when you want to launch ads on TikTok. First one is boost account. The next one is get sales. Then the third one is get leads. So if you want to get more messages, you select the get more messages goal. So if you want to get the get more phone calls, you select the get more phone calls. While for the get sales, if you want to get more website visitors, especially if you want to send people to your website, your WhatsApp group, or even your WhatsApp phone number, so you could select the more website visit goal. If you want to get more followers, you click on the boost account category, then you select more followers. So for this campaign, we're going to launch a more followers ad campaign. So we select more followers. You could also select more video views or more profile views. So next, we're going to select our content. So we're going to select the content we want to use. So you click on the next button just below the select your content. So we're going to choose one of these contents to select. Okay, I'm going to select this one where I'm playing chess. It says game for kings. So I'm going to click on promote. Okay, so I've selected that particular content. Next is to choose a promotion pack. So you could choose any of these default recommended packages. So you could also go for the list, which is $9.20, or you could also go for the customize option if you want to change it to a particular amount or a particular view or a particular budget or coins you want to spend. So you click on the customize if you want to do this. You could also go for the minimum. So it's still similar to, or let's say if you want to spend up to let's say 36,000 naira per day, you go for this. Okay, but for this particular video, it's just a tutorial, so we're going to select the minimum budget for this particular one. So after the custom promotion, so we're going to find the define your audience. So you could either use the default audience where TikTok chooses for you. You allow TikTok's algorithm or ad technology to find the best persons who interact or follow your account or meet the goal you selected during your ad setup at the category level and ad goal level. Okay, so but if you want something custom, you click on custom, then you select what you want. If you want only female, you select only female. If you want only male, you select only male. If you want all, you select all. You could also choose the age bracket you want. Okay, and you could also unmark in case you want to work with a specific number. All right, so once you're done selecting the age bracket you want, next you move to interest. So if you want people who are interested in vehicles and transportation, you select. If you want people in financial services, you select that, or beauty and personal care, especially if you run a skincare brand. But if this ad is focused on people who like beauty products, you want to unselect the financial services, vehicles and transportation and focus on your niche. And especially for ladies, if it's ladies, you want to make sure you target only female. Okay. Then you could also target apparel and accessories. This is also a good demographic. Okay, so once you're done selecting your target audience, you click on save. Okay, so this is for the custom. But for this particular ad campaign, we're going to use the default audience where we allow TikTok to decide for us and help us maximize our budget spend or our ad spend. Okay, so let's change this audience to default audience. Okay, and our budget, we're going to be using the minimum, the $9.20. Okay, and the duration is just for 1 day, but we strongly recommend that run your ad for at least 7 days, and you could spend at least 5,000 naira per day for a start. This is what we recommend, but take note, you could always do more than this. Okay, now there's something you need to know. Now, if your coin balance is small, you might need to buy extra coins or pay for your coins during the setup. Okay, so once the system notices that you have insufficient coins, they will ask you to pay in order to launch your ad campaign. So if that is your own experience, you might want to agree to their terms and conditions first before clicking on the pay button. But before we do that, you can see a notification here reminder, you are more likely to reach desired results with a minimum budget of 1,000. So let's allow them. Okay, so if you don't want to use this pointer, you could also use the pencil where we manually input the particular amount we want to spend. So I'm going to click on the pencil. Okay, then I'm going to change this to just 1,000. So take note, always follow recommendation, especially if it's something you could afford. Okay, so that's why I decided to follow the recommendation. So our next step is to click on the pay button. In your own case, if you have enough coins, if you bought enough coins, you might just need to publish your ad campaign. All right, so we've also made a similar version of this video in the Android version. So do well to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content, and visit the description section of this video to access other tutorials, especially on Android, and also how to buy coins on TikTok using your iPhone, your Android, or on the web browser, which is the best or the most recommended version, especially for iPhone users. Okay, so for Nigerians, you might want to strongly consider using a cheaper cash dollar card when making payments on your iPhone. All right, so let's click on the pay button to publish this ad campaign. So the system will ask me to verify, similar way we do whenever we want to buy coins or do any in-app purchase. So I'm going to verify this now. Okay, so you can see the purchase was successful. Okay, so you could also decide to take this survey or you skip it for now. So I'm just going to say no thanks. All right, so you can see it's under review. So the process of launching ads on an iPhone and Android is very similar. So we're going to attach other videos where in the Android version, we also talked about how to analyze ads performance. So we're also going to provide that video so that you could watch the Android version. In the Android version, we also covered how to launch a messaging ad campaign. So they are quite similar. So do well to visit the description section of this video to explore more valuable content and the playlist on TikTok ads. So you can see this ad campaign is under review. So once it's approved, it will start delivering and we're going to start getting our followers. Okay. Cheers. So I want to show you guys something. This is a bonus for you guys. You could also run your ad campaign by clicking on the particular content. So let's say I select this content. Next, I'm going to click on these three dots at the bottom right corner. Next, you're going to see increase views. So you click on increase views. So this is another way you could use to access the promote page where you're going to choose your goal and also what you want to do. So it's similar to what we just completed. So I'm just showing you a second method you could use to access the promote page if you don't want to go through the TikTok studio. Okay, so you simply select the content on your profile and then you click on get more views and voila, you're going to be here. Then you could also change it if it's not the views you want, rather you want more website visit to your WhatsApp group or etc., or you just want to get more leads and ask them to message you. Okay, so see you guys in the next video and cheers.